Go up Pune, then we go to Padum. There is a new road that's opened up which might let us avoid a lot of back section, which is not really interesting. If that is accessible, we will take that, which will get us some more time, breathing time to reach on the other end, right? So first stop is Shinkola. Until then, we are riding together. And we're going to keep some distance, but we're going to ride staggered.
So it's like 7:30 in the morning. We have to leave early. Adnala morning and record panla. Food's already in the front. Zanskar Valley is like a unexplored on our area, so we're gonna see how it's gonna be there. Welcome to Darcha Bridge, the longest bridge of Lahul and Spiti Valley. So I think we are crossing Lahul to Spiti Valley, I'm not sure. So in the bridge is the longest bridge from from Lahul to Spiti, and yes, that's a beautiful construction of BRO. BRO refers to Border Roads Organization. They build and maintain the roads and stuff over here. View from here is awesome. Already the chillness have kicked in. I am wearing my rain liners and still I feel so cold inside. Seriously, don't think I can off my GoPro now. So Darcha checkpost here, crossed it. So we have all the bikes here lined up, and we have the BRO project, the Shinkunla. Padum is 143 kilometers by this way. I think that is the road we are taking. So this is the road, the terrain behind that is so good. I am in full gears after a very long time, because I can't take that gloves into consideration. This is a proper gloves. We have a river going in the down. Not sure if it's visible. Now it's visible. Can you see the river over there? View so nice. Shinkola is 32 kilometers. That's like a checkpoint for us. The valley looks beautiful from here. Shinkola is 15 kilometers away. Okay, there's water glass in here.
rocks are loose.
Okay.
So if you drive it and you skip, no, you'll fall.
Yeah, okay.
So what happens if you go fast? By
Yes.
the time you reach there, no, you will slow down a lot, and then
Yes.
for there become a problem. Just crawl through aram se.
Yeah, okay.
All right.
Left is better?
Yeah.
Okay. Crossing. Okay, slow. I'm literally riding against the current of water with just road tires. Okay. Here. Don't give up. Okay. The 35 horsepower in act. My hands are numb. Can't feel anything. A bit bad. Coolant overflow.
The coolant overflow again.
Your coolant is overflowing, man. It's heating up like crazy. It's boiling.
It's boiling.
That means I'm giving more.
You are
gas.
revving a bit more. You're dragging a bit on the lot on the first gear. What gear are you?
In the passes there. That's no. So this is the Shinkula Pass. Crossing this way. It's a nice scenery. That's so close how I am to ice. When the mountains are looking so awesome here. So we are at the Shinkula top, 16,580 feet. Okay, so we are now at the Shinkula Pass. We are on the way to Padum from Jispa. The roads are so cool that I can't even turn off my GoPro. That cool they are. The Shinkula top board is over there, somewhere over there. But I didn't stop in front of it to click a pic there because the view here is more cool. From here, Padum is like 105 kilometers, so I think the roads will be better. And I also see a bit of sun over there. The temperature now is so cold, my hands are freezing. I'm not able to manage without the gloves. It's heavy breathing, and at places we did feel the bikes a little underpowered due to less oxygen. And yeah, that's for now. My nose is numb now. Hope I get it. Hope I get it better. And yeah, this is my first snow encounter, so I stopped there to take a pic. Oh, the experience is so great, man. We are waiting for the other riders to join us. So once they are here, we will be heading to Padum. That's all for now. Okay. Oh. It's snowing right now, and my bike is jumping right now. டாப் பாஸ் தாண்டின உடனே அந்த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டீ கடையில் எல்லோரும் நிப்பாட்டி பிரேக் எடுத்தோம். ஏன்னா செம்ம கோல்டாக இருந்துச்சு. அதனால் அதுக்கப்புறம் எல்லோரும் டீ சாப்பிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் கண்டினியூ பண்ணோம்.